Hi everyone, I'm Karen from Charming Bird Creations, and today I'm going to be making a fall deco mesh wreath using this really cute sign I got from Sims Pottery. I have 4 different colors of 10-inch deco mesh that I'm going to be using for my wreath base. I'm going to be cutting it into 10-inch lengths for the curls and 20-inch lengths for the cruffles. I have a variety of 1.5 and 2.5 inch wired ribbon that I'm going to be using for my bow and for the ribbon tails. And the ribbon tails, I'm going to be cutting those into 12-inch lengths. Got this really cute fabric pumpkin from Hobby Lobby, as well as these 2 orange foam pumpkins. And I got these ball picks from Carolina Pottery. I thought those would be really cute in this design. All of that is going to go on a 15-inch work wreath base. Some other supplies that you're going to need are a hot glue gun, a stapler, some pipe cleaners, 22 gauge wire. I'm going to be using Probow the Hand for my bow, wire cutters, and some scissors. And if you have any questions on anything I do today, please leave me a message in the comments and I will get you an answer as soon as possible. The item that I am making today will be available for sale in my Etsy store, and I will put a link in the description below, as well as a complete supply list of everything that I used to make this wreath today. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also follow Charming Bird Creations on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. So let's go ahead and get started.